Hi guys, Manny Hanif here. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to go about creating a lead ad. Now, one of the options that Facebook gives you is you don't have to use the website to generate a lead ad. Okay, so to generate a lead, you can just go through this option here, which is the lead generation option. So let's click on this option here. The next thing to do is obviously set a budget. So let's just give it to $20. Now with all lead ads, you need to accept the terms and conditions. Okay. Again, with the targeting, you just need to target something. So let's just do dogs, just as an example. Placement, we're just going to go for the usual placements. With that being just the Facebook feeds. Okay. Let's click continue. Next thing to do is obviously select a Facebook page. Here, what you need to do is clear the images and upload a video or an image. So let's have a look. Let's just upload an image. Let's use this image here. Okay. And basically, with the lead ad, you just create the ad as normal, because the first thing that people will see, they will see your ad. So let's just say this is the ad copy. Don't be lazy, or something on. So something on your mind, make a change today by learning how to code. Let's just go back to the targeting. It's not dogs, it's okay, coding. Okay. So as you can see, a simple ad. I've given it a headline. Learn to code even if you're new. Let's have a call to action. So let's just go to learn more. You probably have a link that goes here. So when people click on this link here, learn more, they're going to be taken to a form. Okay. So you need to create the form. So let's click on new. Okay. Now when you create a lead ad for the first time, you're going to be basically given options. So the first thing is form type. Form type is whether your lead form will be having a quick form to fill out, or whether it is going to be a review step that gives people a chance to confirm the information. Most of the time it's always this option, so I'm just going to leave this as it is. Go to settings and always select the language where your country is. So in this case I'm going to do the UK. Actually I'm just going to leave this US. Make sure you change this to open, so your ad can be shared and anyone can submit the form. Okay. These things just ignore for now. Next thing to do is where it says intro, you can either turn this off or on. Okay, let's just turn it off for now. These are the questions that you can ask people to capture the information. So you've got name and email, and then you can add this field here, phone number. You can add additional field, marital status, gender, or whatever. Okay. Once you've done this, click on privacy policy. You need to have a privacy policy. Okay. So I'm just gonna put anything down, privacy policy. And the thank you page is when people confirm when people submit the form, they'll be taken to this page. So you can put something like, thank you for filling out this information. Please visit the website. And then this is the website that they visit below. Put your website information here, and then just click on save or finish. Just click on save and click on finish. Okay, so it wants me to enter this information. So please, the questions below. Okay, so click save, finish. And this, guys, is a simple lead ad that we've created. So from this, when they click on here, they'll be taken to this form. The lion's picture will appear there. You can change the image of the lion. Name, email, phone number, confirm. Simple lead ad that you have. Now I'm going to show you how to download a lead ad. So I'm basically running some ads from a client. So these are some of the results. I'm running ads for a client, and as you can see, you can download the lead ads. I'm not really admin of this particular ad account, so what you do is simply click on the link here and you download it. I'm going to show you an example of past other campaigns. Let me see if I can do this. So this one here, guys, you click on this, and then you simply click on download new leads. Then you click on download. So you click on this on Facebook leads, download new leads, and then you can open a spreadsheet file. You can also integrate this with Zapier, which I'll have for another video. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys soon.